Ever wondered what makes an invitation card actually feel special and not just another printed paper? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel English Tube. As part of our ongoing Independence Day special series, today we are designing a beautiful Independence Day invitation card for the 80th Independence Day celebration. And trust me, every single line of this card has been chosen to make parents truly invited and not just informed about the celebration. Now let's start writing. First we will write the name of the school. Here for example I am writing ABC Public School. Beginning with the school's name right at the top, bold and proud, because this invitation carries the identity of the institution before anything else. Next line, cordially invites you to the 80th Independence Day celebration 2026. Notice the word cordially here. It's warmer than just invites, and it instantly sets a respectful, heartfelt tone for the entire card. Next line, freedom is not just a gift from the past. It is a promise we must keep for the future. And right after the heading comes a powerful quote. This is what grabs attention in the first few seconds. Freedom is not only about remembering the past. It is about a promise for tomorrow. Next line, dear parents. The card now shifts into a personal letter-like tone, addressing parents directly. This makes the invitation feel less formal and more like a heartfelt message. Next line, with immense joy and patriotic pride, we warmly invite you and your family to grace the 80th Independence Day celebration of our school. Here, the school extends the invitation not just to parents but to the whole family, making everyone feel included in this proud moment. Next line, every child dreams of making their parents proud. This Independence Day, our children are ready to make our nation proud too. Your presence and encouragement will make this celebration even more memorable for our young performers. We look forward to celebrate this proud moment together as one school family. This is the emotional heart of the card. It connects a child's simple wish to make their parents proud with something much bigger, making the nation proud. And it reminds parents that their presence is not just welcomed, it is needed. Before we move to the event details, if you are new here, do subscribe to English Tube. We post new content every single day as part of our Independence Day special series, so you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's write the event's detail. First is date. For date you have to write 15th August 2026 obviously. Next is time. Here I have written 8 AM onwards. Next, venue. Here I have written school auditorium. Now come the essential details. Date, time and venue. Keep short and clear with simple icons so they are easy to spot at a glance. Next line, let us celebrate freedom with gratitude in our hearts, unity in our thoughts and love for our nation in every action. Another beautiful quote, before the closing? Gratitude, unity, and love for the nation tied together in one flowing thought. Next line. We eagerly await your gracious presence. A gentle, respectful closing line that once again reminds parents just how much their presence matters. Lastly, with warm regards, principal, staff, and students, ABC Public School. And finally, the sign off. Principal, staff, and students standing together as one voice, extending this invitation. Jai Hind, Vande Bharat. The card ends the way every Independence Day message should, with pride, unity, and two words that never lose their power. And that was our Independence Day invitation card. Don't forget, this is part of our special Independence Day series here on EnglishTube. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video in this series. Jai Hind.